Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage notifications in the Temu app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have some deals. From here we just go into the U menu and then tap on settings in the top right corner and then tap on notifications. And here we will have the list of notifications that we can receive. For example, promotions, order updates, chat messages, customers activity, etc. And here we can manage all of them. For example, if we want to receive promotions, we can tap on the edit button and then turn on the way that we want to receive these. So it's either through push notification, SMS, or email. And we can do the same thing with order and updates and all the other kinds of notifications that we have. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.